A competency scorecard in compensation management is a tool used to assess and reward employees based on their demonstration of specific competencies or skills relevant to their job roles. This approach aligns compensation practices with organizational goals and values by linking employee performance to compensation outcomes. The competency scorecard evaluates employees against predefined competencies or behavioral indicators and assigns scores or ratings that influence compensation decisions such as salary increases, bonuses, or promotions. Now we'll discuss in detail how the competency scorecard works. So the process begins with identification of the key competencies or skills that are critical for success in different job roles within the organization. Competencies may include technical skills, soft skills, leadership qualities, communication abilities, problem solving skills, and other relevant attributes. Competencies are typically derived from the organization's strategic objectives, job description, and performance expectations for each role. Once competencies are identified, behavioral indicators are defined to describe observable behaviors or actions that demonstrate proficiency in each competency. Behavioral indicators provide specific examples of how employees can exhibit each competency in their daily work activities. Behavioral indicators help ensure objectivity and consistency in evaluating employee performance against the defined competencies. Employees are evaluated against the predefined competencies and behavioral indicators using the competency scorecard. Assessment may be conducted by managers, peers, subordinates, or self-assessment depending on the organization's performance management process. Assessors rate employees' performance on each competency using a predefined scale such as a numerical rating or descriptive tables. For example, exceed expectations, meet expectations, needs improvements, etc. In score calculation, scores or ratings assigned to each competency are aggregated to calculate an overall competency score for each employee. The competency score reflects the employee's proficiency level in demonstrating the required competencies relative to expectations. Competency scores provide valuable insights into employees' strengths and development areas, which can inform compensation decisions and talent management practices. Competency scores are linked to compensation decisions because they serve as input for compensation decisions such as salary increases, bonuses, and promotions. Employees who demonstrate high levels of competency may be rewarded with higher compensation incentives, while those with lower competency scores may receive less favorable compensation outcomes. The competency scorecard helps ensure that compensation decisions are based on objective assessments of performance and alignment with organizational goals and values.